Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store using PowerShell on Windows 11 or 10 PC. To uninstall, first click on this Start button and then type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this Windows PowerShell entry. Select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. In the PowerShell window, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take a few seconds and will uninstall Microsoft Store app from your Windows PC. When you will search for Microsoft Store, you will not find it. And in case you want to install it on your Windows PC, again, open your Windows PowerShell with administrative privilege and now issue the this one command and press enter on the keyboard. This will take again a few seconds and will download Microsoft Store from Microsoft Server and install it for you. Once commands gets executed, close this one PowerShell window and now click on this one start button and search for Microsoft Store and you should see this one entry and you can open Microsoft Store app on your Windows PC from now onwards.